Week after week, we get tons of requests about how to add your project to SEOcrawl, how to validate my project, what happens if I don't see my project. Here we are to show you a quickly video how to do that step by step, as the process is really easy. Once you register an account in SEOcrawl, you will see a button called New Project. And then here we will see two important things. The first one is like your Google account. You can switch as many Google accounts as you wish while keeping a single SEO crawl account. And that way you can get up to 10 or 100 Google accounts while keeping only one account to have everything organized cleanly. And secondly, you have the URLs of your project. It's very important to know that you cannot write here like any domain. All of the domains that you would like to add need to be verified by Search Console, and those will appear here in the dropdown. This means that in order them to appear here in SEOcrawl, we need to add them and validate in Search Console. In order to help you with that, we have created several things. The first one is like a step-by-step guide about how to add and validate your project in Search Console with all the different options we have, like domain verification, URL prefix, and that way everything is like super easy and step-by-step. However, I would love to show you in real time how to do it. We just go here, in the property, add new property, and we have two ways, domain property and URL prefix. Domain property would be something like this, and it would include data about subdomains, subfolders, HTTP, W and non-W domains, and everything in one single place. It needs to be configured by DNS, which is a bit tricky sometimes, and maybe takes some more time. And in the other way around, we have the URL prefix, which would be something like this. It's a bit faster to implement because it goes with meta tag verification or file verification. However, it doesn't contain any information about subdomains, HTTP, or non-W, for example, or W if you have the other version verified, but it's easier to verify. Once we have done that, automatically all the projects will appear here. You can add them and they will appear automatically in SEOcrawl. You will be able to build your own data warehouse, which means we will see the last 16 months of data, and then instead of overwriting the data, we will still save it, which means you can get 2 years, 3 years, 4 years of data without any problem. If you see any issue or you have any problem, we are here to help. Corporate, WhatsApp, chat, email, or whatever, we are here 24/7 for you in order to help, so more than happy to help. Thanks a lot, at your complete disposal. Thank you.